Hey, what's up, guys? So to start off with the silent revolution in the Korean family, I think it is very definitively quantitative data that the author of the article utilizes because there's the consistent use of numbers, numerical data, statistics, percentages, graphs to accompany all of this data. For example, single-parent households have increased from 9% in 1990 to 26% in 2013, and it's projected to go to 34.3% in 2035. So obviously, with all these numbers involved, quantitative data kind of makes sense. Another example being that the remarriage among women has increased from all the way up to 228% between 1982 and 2012, and the same is for men, but 94%. So again, the use of these percentages and statistics just is evidence of quantitative data. I also think that it was either a survey used, simply because you could simply fill out like the census and everything, to check off whether or not how many people are in your household, all these kind of things. So it could be a survey in that sense, but also maybe a natural experiment, um, because it is focused on a certain group, a specific group of people, um, and there is kind of like an if-then hypothesis sort of in the article. So it makes note of the change of values in Korean families. So I think I could look at it, or anybody could look at it in the sense that if the values of Korean families are changing, then the marital status of Korean families will change as well. There is no manipulation of variables in that sense, though, so it maybe not be the natural experiment, but I think there's aspects to each. So for the next article, Dinner with Bruce, very definitively qualitative data because it's just a one-on-one interview. She's asking very personal questions. He's responding. So yeah, that makes sense. It's a case study because it's a very specific target. It's Bruce, um, and it mentioned in the chapter like popular subjects for these kind of studies. So a murderer being a very solid choice. So she's asking very personal questions to get the information needed. Asking questions like, so no one ever talks about crime in prison or the halfway house, or do you sense people's fear when you talk to them? It's a really good question. Or most people don't differentiate between murder and murder when she's talking about how people perceive him. So with the use of these confrontational questions and applying to a specific person, getting expected answers, all these kind of things, that is very much qualitative data. The use of words, as Dr. Dowdy had um, mentioned in the video. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Please respond in the comments. Looking forward to it. Enjoy the rest of your day.